Okay, continue. Next CF, number 12. One should not lead the prayer before the ark. That is to serve as a Chazan against the wishes of the congregation. So I mean, like forcing himself. And with this thing, when I was witnessing, like, I don't know, several times. I don't know how many times, but several times. I'm trying not to remember all of these disgusting things. But people who were arguing, like this one had lost his mother. This one had lost his father, and now they want to be Chazanim. Like this one wants to go like pray in front of that one. And they argued. It was loud. It was so discussed. So if you ask me, just both of you go out. Like I don't want to be in the same minyan with you.
Is it possible for someone to switch chazan with someone in the middle?
In the middle?
Yeah, I mean, like let's say Shema, and then he does Shema and Ezra.
Usually, in this case, you see Shema and Shema Ezra, they like attached together.
So let's say let's say they make a deal. This one does Shema and Ezra on Shabbos, and then that one does everything else.
Yes, yeah. No, you're right. So I mean, there are several blocks. So you can do several blocks. So for example, you can have one person to say morning brachas, and he can say also this carbonus, right? So one person, and then the second person can say psuki de zimra, and the third person can say Shema and Shmona Esrei.
So why were they arguing?
They start reading of the Torah. Yeah, go ahead.
So why were they arguing if they could just do that?
It was in the morning. I'm not sure why they were arguing. I mean, they could split, but the best part. Okay, so I'll tell you why. So the best part is to do Shema and Shimon and Esther, because he does the repetition and he calls Baruch Hu and everybody answers and stuff like that. It's more like a respectable part.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
It's a choicest part. Mm-hmm. So they were arguing it in other would argue because of the Marif. Marif is that's only one person. You cannot split Marif.
So, someone who's what's it called? A mourner, right? So yes. he has a we'll say like they said he has a chiyuv to be chazan on weekdays, right?
Yeah.
So is it
it's not a halacha.
Yeah.
If he wants to be, it's good. It's going to be good for a memory of deceased and so on. But for example, I give you one example. So not everybody is fit. For example, if he down slowly and now this minion is flying, so it's not proper for him to be chazan because he's going to down with his own speed, or he's going to be under the pressure of their speed. You understand? And he's not going to have any concentration. What was the purpose of all of it?
Understood.
So it's always you have to judge on an individual basis. Yeah, go ahead. What is it?
So let's say what's it called? Let's say it's customary. Is it customary for him to do one of the services during the day or all three?
If there is nobody else, yeah, it's properly for him to do all of the three. But for example, in the shul where I'm going now, so in two people just finished saying Kaddish, two of them. So they were switching. They say I daven Marif, or other way around. So it was fine. Or they would split Shacharis in two. So also fine. Okay, but it's normal people. But some people they take it over the top, and because of the deceased mother, he's ready to insult everybody. Mm-hmm. Even if that person is not as worthy as he, but that's not the reason to insult anybody anyway. Okay, so let's read the next halacha. So if congregation does not want it, just it's not good for him. be Chazan. Moreover, whoever does lead the prayer without their permission, like forces himself by virtue of his power or intimidation. So he's a big this president, as I said, the jokes about this president, right? This mussar, right? This power of intimidation and arrogance. Intimidation and arrogance. We do not respond with amen with his blessings. As it says in Tehillim 10:3, a thief who recite the blessing has blasphemed HaShem. Right? See below. Okay, so let's see commentary, and we're going to explain. We do not respond with amen to his to this Chazan, who is not considered to be reciting blessing at all, but to be blaspheming. Mishnah Brura. So basically, it's very strong statement. So if somebody steals, right? So this guy stole an apple. So and he says blessing, as normal Jew would do on an apple. So it's basically HaShem says, for me it's an abomination. You steal and you blessing me. It's better for you not to bless me. You understand? So same this Chazan. He forced himself on the community, and now he says blessing. So it's not a blessing; it's abomination. So commentary regarding the impropriety of fighting for the right to perform any mitzvah. So they say, see 29:9. Okay, we're going to get to it. So I mean, it defeats the whole purpose. They in Shemaim they're going to take this poor deceased mother and say, look who you left there. You this imbecile. Look what he's doing. He's breaking up the community. This guy, right? Not proper.